Scanning the QR code through browser to download and install the app. After finish the installation, firstly open the phone settings and set up a personal hotspot. Open the hotspot configuration. Network name is hondys 000, password is clen123456. After the setting is complete, turn on the hondys LED 2 and open the hondys app. Click on the ArtNet interface to search for the hondys LED 2 device, which means the connection is successful. Click the Add button to add the device to the layout. Switch to the Special Effect interface and click any special effect icon to play the effect. Return to ArtNet interface. Now we cancel the device layout, and the effect disappears. Click the Enumeration button to enter the enumeration mode. And click again to exit the enumeration mode. ADM settings. You can remotely modify parameters such as ID, universe, Wi-Fi name, and password of the connected device. Support remote modification of layout. Check the button. The default is the check state. After unchecking, the light effect pauses. Click the shortcut key in the upper right corner of the menu. You can select all, add, cancel the layout, and modify the size and direction of the layout with one click. After a connected device is added to the layout, after selecting the lighting effect, the hondys LED 2 will run the special effect. The specific parameter values such as speed, interval, color, quantity can be modified in the operation panel below. Click Duration. Set the duration required for the effect. And then click the Add to Scene button to save the set effect to the scene. You can also choose instructions, color cards, colors and other effects to add to the scene. Switch programming. Click the grouping button to open the grouping interface. The left side is the grouping list, and the right side is the connected device. You can choose to group single or multiple devices, and the same device can be grouped multiple times. Click the Group or Device button to switch to device priority, and you can quickly check how many groups exist in the same device. Click the One-Click Group button in the upper right corner, and the devices will be grouped one to one. After returning, click the New Effect button to enter the command generation interface. Select a group, and then give her command. Color card, running time and other effect parameter. You can choose to set the command effect on some pixels of the device in the group. The default is all selection. Click the Generate button to generate the set instructions above. Similarly, we can choose different groups to set up multiple different instructions. Select the command to modify or delete the current command. Click the arrow in the lower left corner to select the running order of the command. Right arrow for simultaneous execution. That is, the selected instruction runs at the same time as the previous instruction. Down arrow is for sequential execution. That is, each instruction runs in sequence. Click the Generate Effect button in the upper right corner to generate the set command as a special effect. Click the special effect icon to preview the playback. It can also be added to the scene and played with other effects. The special effects saved in the special effects will be displayed one by one in the scene. Double-click the special effect to add it to the playlist. Click the Play button to play the special effects in sequence. Double-click the playlist effect again to delete the effect. You can re-add effects to switch other scenes to play. Click the Device Standby button. The connected device enters the standby state, and the light turn off. Click the Wake Up Device button. The standby state device is woken up. Switch to the special effect Playback effect, and the lights turn on. When it is recognized that the connected device needs to upgrade the program, click the Device Upgrade button to upgrade the current device program. The hondys LED tube is restarted. Click the Chinese-English switch button to switch the app interface language. Click the Clear button in the lighting effect interface to turn off the light with one click. Click again to clear the interface information. Click the lighting effect icon to replay the effect.